sorry for the disturbance ma. So second one is adrenal nodular hyperplasia. So this is hyperplasia. So in this condition, so what is the adrenal insufficiency and hypoadrenism means in this condition how to produces the Cushing syndrome. So in this condition two conditions are produces. So primary disease and secondary diseases also, primary condition, secondary conditions also produces. So the next Cushing syndrome, Cushing syndrome means simply saying Cushing syndrome means, so Cushing syndrome means excess cortisol. So excess cortisol means, what is the excess cortisol? So excess cortisol means simply, so altered fat distribution, and the second one is the androgenic effects. And the third one is androgenic effects. So first one is altered fat distribution, second one is androgenic effect, and third one is also affected for the excess of the cortisol. That one is the aldosterone effects. So by these are the affected on the cortisol, increases the cortisol. The next one, so how to produces the Cushing syndrome, excess of the cortisol, and as well as the increases the stress response. Increases the stress So how to increases the stress response means increases the glycogenolysis or gluconeogenesis. So gluconeogenesis. The next one, and increases the protein breakdown. Increases the protein breakdown. It leads to the Cushing syndrome. This is about the Cushing syndrome. The next one, the Cushing syndrome is what is the some key points of the Cushing syndrome. So increases the gluconeogenesis and glycogenolysis. So it leads to the diabetes. Is the chances to 20%, and impaired glucose tolerance is a 50% chances. The next one, increase this is due to gluconeogenesis or glycogenolysis, and due to protein breakdown, it is the thinned hair. It leads to the thinned hair and thin skin, and poor wound healing, and the next one, infections. The next one, thinned hair, thinned skin, and poor wound healing, and the next one, infections occurs in the body, and the next one, peptic ulcer. So these are the examples for the these are the due to formation of the protein breakdown. This one is due to gluconeogenesis or glycogenolysis process. So the next one is altered fat distribution. So what about this condition? So in this condition is a moon phase occur, and the next one, buffalo hump occur in the body. Buffalo hump is occur in the body. The next one, due to androgenic effects. Due to androgenic effects, what is the next? How to which type of symptoms are identified in our body? Means impotence. Impotence is occur and impotence is occur in the body. The next one, aldosterone affects what happened in the body. So hypertension. Hypertension is occur in the body. And the next one, due to these reasons it produces depression also occur in the body. Depression, psychosis occur in our body. This is the detail about the Cushing syndrome. So Cushing syndrome. The next one is we discuss about Addison syndrome. So what is the Addison syndrome, and what is the Addison syndrome? What is the importance of the how to formation of the Addison syndrome in our body? So Addison disease. So Addison disease, how to formation in Addison disease in our body. So Addison disease Addison disease means originated from the adrenal cortex. It is a originated from adrenal cortex. Adrenal cortex. So adrenal cortex. This is the primary disease of the Addison's. What is the secondary Addison disease? Secondary Addison disease means it is originated from elsewhere. So originated from elsewhere. So originated from adrenal cortex. So this is originated, depends upon the originated. Addison syndrome is classified into two types, primary and secondary. So what is the actual definition of the Addison syndrome? So Addison syndrome means Addison disease, not Addison syndrome, Addison disease. So Addison disease means it is a primary adrenal insufficiency. Adrenal insufficiency. Primary adrenal insufficiency. It leads to the Addison disease. So what is the primary adrenal insufficiency? How to produce means aldosterone deficient. Aldosterone deficient. And the next one, androgen deficient. Androgen deficient. The next one is others. So by these conditions it leads to the primary adrenal insufficiency. And the next one is the cortisol deficiency also. Cortisol deficient. So due to cortisol deficiency, how to produce the cortisol deficiency means protein anabolism. Protein anabolism occur in our body. It leads to the cortisol deficiency or primary deficiency also occur in our body. So these are the particular Addison syndrome. So the Addison syndrome is protein anabolism means lethargy. And the next one is the aldosterone deficient. Aldosterone deficiency means is the dizziness, fainting, hypotension. Due to these conditions it leads to the aldosterone deficiency. It leads to the primary adrenal deficiency in the sense of Addison disease. The next one, androgen deficient. So androgen deficiency means impotence conditions. So the next one, others means hyperpigmentation, buccal mucosa, and the next one, increase the increase the ACTH hormone, ACTH hormone. The next one, constipation, vomiting, and etc. Also, these two leads to the Addison disease. So the Addison disease is Addison disease, and about the Addison disease and Cushing syndrome. If you have any doubts from these two topics, so we will discuss later.